Remove everything from the bag and lay the air awning out on the pitching area, ensuring it's clear of sharp objects first. Check that all the door zips are closed on the air awning and lay out the rest of the supplied kit close by. Feed the leading edge of the K-door into the rear of your caravan's rail and gently pull the air awning into the desired position, ensuring the roof is centered. Peg out the rear corners nearest the caravan using the rock pegs supplied so that a close fit is achieved between the awning and the caravan. Pull the front of the air awning away from the caravan and roughly position the corners. If you're using the air awning for the first time, fully unscrew all the valves from the air beams and screw back in carefully before inflating. This ensures that the valve is not cross-threaded. Remove the smaller screw caps on the valves and insert the pump nozzle. Inflate all the tubes to 7 psi. The tubes should be guided into an arch as they are inflated. The supplied Vango airbeam pump uses a pressure release valve if more than 7.5 psi is put into the airbeam. Ensure both parts of the valve are finger tight, but do not over-tighten. Adjust the footprint of the air awning so that it is square to the caravan. Then peg out the base using rock pegs. Always peg at an angle to the ground, ideally about 45 degrees, to obtain maximum grip. Inflate all the bracer beams, again to 7 psi, and put in place using the Velcro tabs. These provide rigidity and lateral bracing in stronger winds. Fit the draft-reducing foam pads between the air awning and the caravan. They're attached using a hook and loop closure. Place the flat end of the adjustable steel pole into the webbing sleeve at the top of the awning and the base into the slot provided. This is for use in windier conditions as it holds the pads against the caravan. Slide in place the draft skirt using the awning rail at the base of the caravan. The bottom is held in place with ground sheet pegs. The wheel arch covers are attached using the suckers provided. Hook the loop of webbing at the end of the K-door onto one of the suckers and firmly attach to the caravan to prevent any lateral movement. If required, fit and peg out any storm straps, peg out the guy lines, trim your awning, and enjoy.